Factors are any numbers that you can multiply with one another to make a given number. Now we can show factors in the form of arrays, which is demonstrated here. So how many factors does the number 21 have? Draw the different possible arrays for 21 counters. So to start with, we're going to look at factor pairs that make that you can multiply together to make 21. So they have been given here. So 3 times 7, you can multiply these numbers together to make 21. That is a factor pair of 21, as is 1 times 21. And they're demonstrated in these arrays as we have 3 along our column and 7 in our row. And therefore we have 21 dots here. 1 multiplied by 21, we have 1 column and we have 21 row. This is like prep for sitting in assembly. So this is factors demonstrated using arrays. 21 has just 4 factors. 1, 2, 3, 4, 2 factor pairs. Let's try it for 16. So you can see we've got 1 multiplied by 16, 2 multiplied by 8, and 4 multiplied by 4. Therefore, 16 has 5 factors. 1, 2, 4, 8, and 16. But it has 3 factor pairs. 4 is paired with itself, so we only count 4 as 1 factor, okay, but it fits in a factor pair. Your task for today, as I'm hoping you're going to be quite confident with finding factors and factor pairs for a particular number, is to match, if you're using the mild and the hot sheet, it's a similar activity to start with, is to match each number to its factors. So you've got the numbers along the left-hand side, and you need to join up or write down in your exercise books each of these numbers with its factors, which are listed here, okay? Challenge, most of the numbers you investigated had an even number of factors, but some had an odd number of factors. I wonder what makes these special numbers. So you can see which numbers had an odd number of factors. What makes these special? Can you find any other numbers with an odd number of factors? I'd be interested to know that. Hot sheet, similar section C. Obviously have a go at both if you'd like, that would be great. And your challenge, which has more factors? 99, 100, or 101. Guess, then test. So predict which one you think, then find out and let me know. There is an answer sheet for you to self-mark and a bit stuck, array or disarray. Please go through this with an adult if you are finding it difficult, if you're able to. And then finally, an investigation, factor facts. So this investigation is asking you to explore the factors of numbers up to 40. So you need to find which number has the most factors, which numbers have an odd number of factors, and which numbers only have 2 factors, so themselves and 1. Have a go at that first. Maybe have a guess which number up to 40 is going to have the most factors. I'd be really interested to know. And then if you had to guess which number between 40 and 100, do you think which number might have the most factors and why is this the case using your learning from the lesson? Which number could have an odd number of factors and why? And which number is the largest number less than 100 with just 2 factors? So that would mean itself and number 1. And why? Have a guess first, have an estimate of these ones, then investigate to check. And so I can see your understanding. Good luck.